All right, guys, we're in Jason's 2010?
2009. Yeah.
2009 Audi R8. It is a V8, but guess what, guys? It's gated. Look at this. Think you guys can see it here? This is a stick shift. So this is not a traditional R8 that has the flappy paddles. This has a real man lever. So I've never driven an exotic that's stick, but we'll see what happens here.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
I think the wheels are pointed straight. Nope. There we go. So first thing I noticed, it's super weighted. Wow. I kind of like a gate where it's like, This is really weighted, but it's nice. Dang, that's cool. Clutch is nice, super easy. There's Jem. So we're gonna chase Jem in his Porsche. I don't think I'm gonna even be able to remotely keep up. So Jem is in a 991.2 PDK, and he's on full slicks. So again, this car's got street tires. I think I saw some Michelins on it.
Yep.
So I don't think we're gonna be able to really keep up, but we'll have some fun. And again, thank you to Jason over here for letting me drive this thing. So we're gonna put in sport mode.
Yep.
Yep. Let's see the clutch. Oh, that's cool. It's so confident in every gear. Are very far away, so we'll see if we can heel toe. I'm not, I mean, I'm going like 4 out of 10, but I can feel and smell the pads.
Yeah.
They haven't been replaced in a while.
Okay, okay.
I don't want to cook them so you can go home.
Wow.
No, this car is amazing. Very well balanced.
Yeah, that's what everybody says. Like,
Even with the wheels on it, it still grips a lot.
that was awesome.
Bro, this right here, I haven't driven this in a year.
Yeah.
This is so sick. Holy crap, I forgot what it's like to actually work a car. So, I mean, I'm so used to the 500 paddles and driving all these exotics with the paddles, I forgot that this thing exists. This is like a lost art form.
Yeah.
Holy crap. So yeah, I highly recommend you get some pads, man.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. I mean, of course, we can service them, obviously, but yeah, the car at minimum needs pads. The tires are really good, actually.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
I'm surprised that dude, I'm not out there Sunday driving this thing.
Yeah.
It's just the brake, I'm being cautious of the brakes, but no, dude, this thing's killer.
I didn't know my car could do that.
Damn. Whew.
Yeah, I was actually surprised. I was like, wow, we're keeping up with the 911. Oh man, that was awesome.
No, thank you, man. That was incredible. Anytime I get to drive, it's the world to me, man. So I really appreciate it.
Yeah.
So you don't want to. So I'm gonna, since your brakes are so hot, I'm gonna leave it in gear.
Okay.
So don't forget it's in gear.
Okay, yeah.
Because you don't want to set your parking brake.
Oh yeah, because it'll
fuse. Yeah. All right, guys. So that was a drive in Jason's 2009 gated R8 V8, and seriously, what an incredible experience. Again, I haven't driven a stick in a solid year, and it's like kind of like riding a bike. But at the end of the day, you really got to work out there, and I mean, but it's so rewarding because it's so fun.